Hi, I'm Steve from Marine Jones. I've got a great Riviera M400 sports cruiser that I'd love to show you through. We're standing on the swim platform right now, and it's the great entry point, but it's also part of the entertaining area. It starts right out the back here where we've got a stainless steel rail. You can mount a barbecue to this, and also your tender can stand up and be stored against the back here. There's also a very large boot which houses all your goodies, bits and pieces, and then we're on a nice teak swim platform which is also very well dressed. It's only one step up and then you're into the cockpit. Now that we're up here in the cockpit, that's what this boat is all about, the cockpit space. There's plenty of seating for everyone around here. Underneath this seating there's also some storage. We've got a large dining table. It folds away to give you a little bit extra space, and it also collapses down and you put a cushion on top to create a daybed, which is an awesome spot to lounge around. You'll be seated under the hardtop, nice and cool in summer, and you've got plenty of ventilation coming through from the openings in the clears and the hatches in the roof. While you're lounging around here in the cockpit, we've also got really close at hand the wet bar, just off to the port side. Over here we've got a nice sink, solid surface bench top, somewhere to store your bottles, and in here we've got an ice maker and a fridge. So while you're lounging around, your drinks are close by, and you can also be watching your favourite sports or your movie. Just off to the starboard forward side we've got the Helm. It's got great vision, as you can see, good windscreen wiper, and the clears with lots of natural ventilation. Everything's at hand, electronic controls for your engines, hydraulic steering, autopilot, and when it comes to the berthing we've also got a bow thruster. Navigation gear, this boat has got chart plotter, fish finder and radar, and we've also got a chain counter which makes it really easy if you're anchoring. Coming inside, down into the saloon area, a few steps down we enter into the galley. The galley's got great bench space with a few lift up lids to get to the sink, 2 burner hot plate, and also a bin through the bench top. Got a microwave, and in here we've got lots of great storage which has been utilised really well with the extra drawers inside the cupboards to make sure that you maximise the storage space. We've also got a 2-door fridge freezer, so large fridge and a separate freezer, very popular on this model. The cabin spaces on this boat are really great and well thought out. We've got 2 cabins. Up front we've got the master cabin with the island bed. It's got nice privacy doors, contemporary, they look great as well as serve a purpose. We've also got here a big L-shaped lounge and a TV for lounging around inside and watching a bit of telly. The head is very well laid out and has a great shower screen. Spins around, very large inside the shower, and we've also got the vacuum flush toilet system and a nice vanity. Aft cabin has got a double bed and a single bed, quite spacious, portholes to the opening on each side to get some cross-flue ventilation, and it also has a privacy door so you can have 2 couples on board the boat. That's a quick walkthrough of the cockpit and the saloon area on the Riviera M400. I just wanted to point out some of the key features that I really like about this model. First of all, we've got the hardtop that you can see here, large deck with the sun pad for lounging around. I've already mentioned the other things downstairs, but this boat, as an entertaining boat, really stands out from the rest. Nice wide beam, nice and stable platform. This particular one, diesel powered, very fuel efficient, quick, does 34 knots, gets you to where you want to go quickly. If you like what you see and you would like to have an inspection on this boat, feel free to contact me. I'm Steven McPherson. You can get me on 0421 320 395. I'd love to show you through it.